Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Welcome again in run chase. A total target for Below Star Patan given by Nehalpura Warriors only 118 runs in 20 overs. This is great bowling by Danish DK. He take 4 crucial wickets. Also Danish Sheikh 2 wickets for Danish. Mohsin Farouk he take 2 wickets. Sohail Bhatt take 1 wicket. Danish DK 4, Salim Ejaz 1, Mohsin Farouk 2, Danish Sheikh also 2. This is great bowling at the end by the bowlers of Below Star Patan. Now the total target is 118 runs for Below Star Patan. The team who win this match, they will also qualify in the semi-finals of this T20 Super Cup played at Chukar Tulpa ground. This is the second evening of this quarter final, very important match of this T20 Super Cup. Before this, the two teams are already qualified for semi-finals. YCC already qualified in the semi-finals of this tournament, and also Hardashura. Now this is 118 runs for win this match. Not only win, they will also qualify in the semi-final. This is first delivery. Great delivery by Ishfaq Akram is the bowler. Irfan Mushtaq on strike, and Salik Wani is on non-strike end. This is Ishfaq Akram. He's on his first over. This is the first over of this second inning. This is good shot played by the batsman. Dandanata hua. Seema rekha se baad 4 run. Irfan Mushtaq opens his account with this score. The score for Below Star Patan is 4 runs without any wicket. This is the first boundary of this second inning by Irfan Mushtaq. Ishfaq Akram is again on his bowling mark to the batsman Irfan Mushtaq. Again good shot played by the batsman. Dandanata hua. Seema rekha se baad 4 run. Irfan Mushtaq ke balle se the score moves to 8 without any wicket. Now they need only 110 in 117 deliveries. This is low total target given by Nehalpura Warriors today. Can these bowlers take early wickets if they want to stay in this match? If they want to win this match, qualify in the semi-finals, they take early wickets. Ishfaq Akram again to the batsman Irfan Mushtaq. Again the batsman wants to hit this ball, but this is great comeback by the bowler Ishfaq Akram. Ball goes into the gloves of the wicketkeeper. The score remains on 8 without any wicket. Ishfaq Akram again to the batsman Irfaq. Again good delivery, very good delivery. Beat the batsman, ball goes into the gloves of the wicketkeeper. The score remains on 8. The two batsmen need to be cool and calm because they have low total to chase here. They have 8 runs on board. Now this is the last delivery of first over. Ishfaq Akram to the batsman. The batsman plays a shot here at the end. Very good fielding. This is third delivery. After 1 over, the score is 8 without any wicket. Now they need only 110 runs in 114 deliveries. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें। दिस इज द सेकंड ओवर ऑफ दिस सेकंड इनिंग। द टोटल टारगेट इज 118 रन्स फॉर Below Star Patan. First Below Star Patan Afaq is the new bowler. This is a great shot played by the batsman. Dandanata hua. Seema rekha se baad 4 run. Salik Wani ke balle se. He opens his account with this 4. The score moves to 12 without any wicket. This is the second over in process. The total target is 118 runs. Now they need only 106 to win this match. Not only win this match, they will also qualify in the semi-finals if they win this match. Before this, the two teams are also qualifying this tournament. YCC Yal and Hardashura are the two teams who qualify in this T20 Super Cup. Now this is the third quarter final between the two teams. Nihalpura Warriors versus Bilustar Patan. This is again, here's a chance of a catch, but this is trapped by the fielder. एक मौका बनता था विकेट लेने का. अगर इस मैच में बने रहना है तो विकेट चटकानी होगी निहालपुरा वॉरियर्स को, because they give low total target to Bilustar Patan. The two batsmen complete a single. With this single, the score moves to 13 without any wicket. Salik Wani, he moves to 5. Now Irfan Mushtaq on strike. Afaq. Oh, this is good delivery by Afaq. No run. The score remains on 13 without any wicket. The batsman plays very well shot for 4. धंधनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से पास 4 रन इरफान मुश्ताक के बल्ले से. The score moves to 17 without any wicket. Now they need only 101 run to win this match in 110 deliveries, and they have 10 wickets in hand. This is Afaq again. Oh, this is good delivery. Good comeback by Afaq. Dot delivery. This is the second over in process. The total target is 118 runs. अगर इस मुकाबले में बने रहना है तो एक स्ट्रेटजी अपनानी होगी, विकेट चटकानी होगी यहाँ पे बॉलर्स को, क्योंकि कम टारगेट दिया है. दिस इज वाइड, आल्सो मिस्ड बाय विकेट कीपर. 5-4 for Bilustar Patan. The score moves to 22 without any wicket. Now 96 runs to win this match. Not only win this match, they will also qualify in the semi-finals of this T20. The bowlers of Nihalpura, they need early wickets here. Oh, this is again good shot played by the batsman. धंधनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से पार 4 रन इरफान मुश्ताक के बल्ले से. He moves to 16. The score moves to 26 runs without any wicket. This is a good start for Bilustar Patan. End of 2 hours, 26 on board without any wicket. Ishfaq. This is Ishfaq Akram on bowling mark. Totally no run score remains on 26 without any wicket. This is the third over in process. The total target is 118. Now they need only 92 in 107 deliveries, and they have 10 wickets in hand. Salik Wani, he is on 5. Oh, this is good delivery, missed by wicket keeper also. This is by 4. These are lucky runners for Bilustar Patan. The score moves to 30 without any wicket. निहालपुरा वॉरियर्स को चाहिए कि रन बचाए, विकेट लें. एक छोटा टारगेट दिया है बिलुस्टार पटन. दिस इज अगेन गुड शॉट प्लेड बाय द बैट्समैन. दंदनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से बाद 4 रन सालिक वानी के बल्ले से. द स्कोर मूव्स टू 34 विदाउट एनी विकेट. नाउ दे नीड ओनली 84 रन्स इन 105 डिलीवरीज. सो दिस इज ग्रेट स्टार्ट फॉर बिलुस्टार पटन. यहाँ पे अगर हम बात करेंगे निहालपुरा वॉरियर्स की तो विकेट चटकाने होंगे जल्दी जल्दी. एक छोटा सा टारगेट दिया है, 118 रन का टारगेट टोटल दिया है बिलुस्टार पटन को. The two batsmen take a single here. The score moves to 34 without any wicket after 2.5 overs, 35 on board. Now this is the last delivery of third over. Irfan Mushtaq is on strike. He's on 16. Again good delivery. Third delivery. No run. यहाँ पे इन दो बल्लेबाजों को कोई जल्दी नहीं है. 35 without any wicket. The two batsmen need to be cool and calm because they have a low total to target. 118 runs in 120, but this is good start for Blue Star Patan. They have 35 on board without any wicket. Now Afaq is again on his second over. To the batsman Irfan Mushtaq on strike. He's on 16. Oh, this is good shot played by the batsman. दंदनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से बाहर 4 रन सालिक वानी के बल्ले से. The score moves to 39 without any wicket. This is a good start for Blue Star Patan given by the two batsmen Salik Wani and Irfan Mushtaq. The partnership moves to 39 in 19 deliveries. Afaq again to the batsman Salik Wani. Again good delivery, good comeback by Afaq. Third delivery, no run. Score remains on 39 without any wicket. This is Afaq. Afaq again to the batsman Salik Wani. Very good delivery. Beat the batsman. अगर हम टारगेट की बात करेंगे तो छोटा सा टारगेट दिया है आज निहालपुरा वेरियर्स ने ब्लू स्टार पटन को. एक अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया आज ब्लू स्टार पटन, खासकर दिस इज गुड डिलीवरी अगेन. डॉट नो रन. खासकर थानिश टीके की बात करेंगे, 4 विकेट चटकाए अपनी टीम के लिए, सिर्फ 15 रन खर्च किए अपने 4 ओवर्स में. दिस इज ग्रेट बॉलिंग टुडे बाय दानिश टीके. Now Patan Blue Star, they need only 79 runs to win this match. Not only win this match, they will also qualify in the semi-finals of this T20 Super Cup at Chukatrubak ground. This is Afaq. Afaq again to the batsman Salik Wani. Oh, again good shot played by the batsman for a single. With this single, the score moves to 40 without any wicket. This is the 5th over, 4th over in process. Afaq again to the batsman Irfan Mushtaq. This is wide, missed by wicket keeper. At the end, fielding by third keeper. The score moves to 42 without any wicket. This is the last delivery of Afaq's second over. Now they need only 76 runs to win this match. Oh, this is good shot played by the batsman himself for 4. दंदनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से बाहर 4 रन सालिक वानी के बल्ले से. He moves to 19. The score moves to 46 without any wicket after 4 overs. Now 72 runs in 96 deliveries and they have 10 wickets in hand. कल इंशाल्लाह एक और बड़ा मुकाबला चुका राइल्स वर्सेस क्रालपुरा के दरमियान चौथा क्वार्टर फाइनल खेला जाएगा इंशाल्लाह 2 बजे के बाद, जो हम लाइव करेंगे इंशाल्लाह. टुमारो बिग मैच बिटवीन चुका राइल्स वर्सेस क्रालपुरा टुमारो. The team who win this match today, they will also qualify in the semi-finals The two teams are already qualified. YCC Yal and Hardashura, the two teams who qualify for semi-finals in this tournament. Now Tawfiq, this is good shot played by the batsman. Tandana hua सीमा रेखा से 5 रन. Irfan Mushtaq के बल्ले से. The score moves to 50 without any wicket. This is 50 up for Pillow Star Patan. They need 68 runs now to win this match. Not only win this match, they will also qualify in the semi-finals of this T20 Super Cup. This is again Kautilya, but this is wide given by the umpire. The score moves to 51 without any wicket. The partnership moves to 51 in 25 deliveries. This is great start for Pillow Star Patan, given by the two batsmen Salik and Irfan Mushtaq. Tawfiq again very good delivery, good comeback by the bowler Tawfiq. Beat the batsman Irfan Mushtaq. No run delivery. Score remains on 51 without any wicket. This is a low total given by Nihal Pura today. 118 runs. Tawfiq again. Oh, this is good shot played by the batsman. Dandanata hua. Seema rekha se baad 6 run. Irfan Mushtaq ke balle se. The score moves to 57 without any wicket. This is great hit by the batsman Irfan Mushtaq. He moves to 26 in 14 deliveries with the help of 5 fours and 1 huge 6. The partnership moves to 57 in 27 deliveries. Again Tawfiq. Again good shot, good fielding at the end by the fielder. जहाँ 4 होना था वहाँ पे रन सूखे पड़ गए. एक अच्छी फील्डिंग का मुजाहरा वहाँ पे फील्डर के दौरान. No run score remains on 57 without any wicket. Tawfiq again to the batsman Irfan Mushtaq. The batsman wants to hit this ball, but this is great delivery. Ball goes into the gloves of the wicket keeper. No run score remains on 57 without any wicket. Tawfiq. Oh, here's a chance of a catch, but missed by wicket keeper. Ball goes for 4. This is 4 for Irfan Mushtaq and 4 for Pillow Star Patan. The score moves to 61 without any wicket. Now they need only 57 runs in 90 deliveries. This is great start for Pillow Star Patan. They have 61 runs on board without any wicket. معي ماشي اهو. دينوس الفون دينوس. بس هاوس تشارجز. انيو بيجا. جايز. مش لا يوري يطلع يف هاي. ماشي كويس لكم طوي. ماشي سوق كازين طوي. شنو باس بانت بانت نتيجه موجود. طوي تشارجز. ايش كنو هاي. باش كتب هاي تجي يودي. تيجي ايش كانوا؟ طوال بنده يودي بس. كاشي دينوس. يا Hello, Pandijan. Hello. Hello. Now Pillow Star Patan required 57 runs in 90 balls. Irfan Mushtaq, he is on 30 in 17 deliveries, and Salik Wani is on 19 in 13 deliveries. The partnership is on 61 in 30 deliveries.
थर्ड में समझना बोलिए
तो का पूरा तुझे तो का
और सुनिए भाई
पूरा तुझे
बाबा आए हो चलिए नहीं ओ नजर आ
Saqibul Islam is on bowling mark. He's on his first over to the batsman Salik Wani. This is good start by the bowler Saqibul Islam. The score is on board 61 without any wicket. Now they need only 57 runs to win this match, and they have 10 wickets in hand. This is Saqibul Islam again on his bowling mark to the batsman Salik Wani. This is good delivery again. Here is yes no, but the two batsmen complete a single. With this single, the score moves to 62 without any wicket. Now 56 runs to win this match, and they will also qualify in the semi-finals of this T20 Super Cup. Third edition played at Chukatalba ground. This is Saqibul Islam again to the batsman Irfan Mushtaq. Okay, he has a chance of a catch, but well tried by the bowler at the end. The two batsmen complete a single. With this single, the score moves to 63 without any wicket. So this is great start for Below Star Patton, given by the two batsmen Salik Wani and Irfan Mushtaq. Now Salik Wani on strike. Saqibul Islam again on his bowling mark. This is good shot played by the batsman. Kandanata hua सीमा रेखा से बाद 4 रन सालिक वानी की बल्ले से. He moves to 24. The score moves to 67 without any wicket. Now they need only 51 runs to win this match, and they have 10 wickets in hand. The two batsmen are in good touch today. Very well partnership of 67 runs. Saqibul Islam again. Slower delivery. Good shot played by the batsman. Ball raced to the boundary. This is 4 for the batsman Salik Wani. Score moves to 71 without any wicket. The individual score of Salik Wani, he moves to 28 runs in 17 deliveries. Saqibul Islam again is on his last delivery to the batsman Salik Wani. This is again good delivery. Good shot played by the batsman for a single. With the single, the score moves to 72 without any wicket. Now 46 runs in 84 deliveries, and they have 10 wickets in hand. Kaç kalın. The partnership moves to 72 in 36 deliveries. Now 46 runs in 84 deliveries for qualify in the semi-finals of this T20 Super Cup. Tawfiq is on his second over. This is wide given by the umpire, wide. Now 45 runs in 84 deliveries. Tawfiq again, very good delivery, by Tawfiq. Beat the batsman Irfan Mushtaq. The score remains on 74 without any wicket. This is the Tawfiq again to the batsman Irfan. The batsman wants to hit this ball, but this is great delivery. Ball goes into the gloves of the wicketkeeper. The score remains on 74 without any wicket. This is a Tawfiq again to the batsman Irfan. This is again good delivery, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With this single, the score moves to 75 without any wicket. Now 43 runs to win this match, and they have 10 wickets in hand. The team who win this match, they will not only win this match, they will also qualify in the semi-finals. This is again Tawfiq. Oh, this is good delivery, great delivery. Beat the batsman Salik Wani. No run. Score remains on 75. Again, the batsman wants to hit this ball, but this is great delivery. Ball goes into the gloves of the wicketkeeper. यहाँ पे संभाल के खेला होगा दोनों बल्लेबाज क्योंकि एक अच्छा इज अगेन गुड शॉट प्लेड बाय द बैट्समैन फॉर ह्यूज 6 ठंडनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से बाद 6 रन सालिक वानी के बल्ले से ही मूव्स टू 35 द स्कोर मूव्स टू 81 without any wicket. Now they need only 37 runs to win this match. Bill Star Patton, they win the toss and they decided to field first after 20 hours. The total target given by Nihalpura Warriors 118 runs. They are all out on 14.5 overs today. Low total given by Nihalpura Warriors today. But this is great start by the two batsmen Salik Wani and Irfan Mushtaq. 81 runs without any wicket. Now Saqibul Islam, he's again on his second over to the batsman Irfan Mushtaq. He's on 32. Oh, this is good delivery, very good delivery, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. Here is misfielding. Good comeback by the fielder at the end. The two batsmen complete only a single. With the single, the score moves to 82 without any wicket. Now they need only 36 runs in 78 deliveries. I think this is a one-sided match now because they have 10 wickets in hand and they need only 35 runs. This is Saqibul Islam again to the batsman Irfan Mushtaq. Oh, this is good delivery, good shot played by the batsman for a single. The score moves to 84 without any wicket. Now 34 runs to win this match in 77 deliveries. The partnership is on 83. This is a great start for Bill Star Patton. Saqibul Islam again to the batsman Irfan. This is wide, missed by wicketkeeper also. Wise 4. These are lucky runs for Bill Star Patton. The score moves to 88 without any wicket. Now they need only 30 runs to win this match. Not only win this match, they will also qualify in the semi-finals. Saqibul Islam again to the batsman Salik Wani on strike. He's on 36. Saqibul Islam. Oh, full toss delivery. Here's a chance of a catch. But this is a miss dropped by the fielder. The two batsmen complete a single. Now 29 runs to win this match for Bill Star Patton. Can these two batsmen will win to his team. This is good shot played by the batsman. दंदनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से बाद 4 रन इरफान मुश्ताक के बल्ले से. This is a good shot played by the batsman Irfan Mushtaq. The score moves to 93 without any wicket. Now 25 runs to win this match in 75 deliveries. Before this, the two teams are already qualified for semi-finals in the T20 Super Cup by ICC. Today, very well luck played by Ejaz Khaki, 128 runs today. Played very well luck, and also Muhammad Aqib, 64 runs knocked today. Played at this ground and qualified for semi-finals in this tournament. And already Hardashura qualified in the semi-finals of this T20 Super Cup. Now, this is, I think, Pillow Star Patton will qualify in the semi-finals of this T20 Super Cup. This is the third team of this tournament who qualifies for semi-finals. Tomorrow is also the big match between Chukar Riders versus Kralpura after 2 p.m. inshallah. Now 25 runs in 75 deliveries. This is one-sided match now because they have 10 wickets in hand. This is very low total given by Nihalpura today, 118 runs. Very good bowling by Danish DK. He take 4 early wickets for his team and give only 15 runs in his 4 overs. And also very well keeping by the wicket keeper. 2 steps out taken by the wicket keeper of Pillow Star Patton today. Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. "93 runs without any wicket. This is great start for Pillow Star Patton. They need only 25 runs. Not only win this match, they will also qualify in the semi-finals. Irfan Mushtaq, he is on 36. This is a cutlery, but the two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves to 94. Now 24 runs. 24 runs to win this match in 74 deliveries. Saqib Islam, he's again on his bowling mark to the batsman. Salik Wani is on strike. Solo delivery, good shot played by the batsman for 6. Dhandanata hua सीमा रेखा से पार 6 रन Salik Wani के बल्ले से. He moves to 43. Now they need only 18 runs. This is 100 up for Pillow Star Patton. 100 run partnership between the two batsmen Salik Wani and Irfan Mushtaq. They need only 18 runs to win this match. Sohail Mir, thank you Sohail Mir for joining us with this live broadcast. Salik Wani, he is on 43. 100 run partnership between the two batsmen Salik Wani and Irfan Mushtaq. Saqib Islam, he is on his last delivery. Again, good shot played by the batsman, but at the end, very good fielding. The two batsmen complete only a single. With this single, Salik Wani, he moves to 44. And Pillow Star, they moves to 101. Now 17 runs to win this match. Sada. आज को लकुट मैच भाई लकुट. This is Zubair Wani. This is great delivery by Zubair Wani. No run. Score remains on 101. Now only 17 runs to win this match. Salik Wani, he is on 44. Can he complete his 50? He need 6 runs to complete his 50. This is Zubair Wani. Zubair Wani to Salik Wani. This is a 50 for the batsman Salik Wani. Very good shot played by the batsman Salik Wani. Dandanata hua seema rekha se par 6 run. This is a 50 for Salik Wani. He completes his 50 in 27 deliveries with the help of 6 fours and 3 sixes. Now they need only 11 runs to win this match. This is great start by the two batsmen Salik Wani and Irfan Mushtaq. The two low total target given by Nihalpura Warriors today. 118 runs. They lost early wickets Great bowling by Danish GK. Today, 4 wickets for Danish GK. Now, good start for Billu Star Patton by the two batsmen, Salik and Irfan. Zubair Wani, he's on his first over. He's again to the batsman, Salik Wani. He's on 50 runs. Zubair Wani again, good shot played by the batsman. Ball goes for 4. Dandanata hua Simare kache par 4 run. Now they need only 7 runs to win this match. 7 runs in 69 delays. Now one huge one hit is needed for Billu Star Patton. 1-6 to win this match, and they will also qualify in the semi-finals. The third team of this tournament who qualify in the semi-finals. This is win for, but this is catch at the end by the fielder. So this is the end of this partnership. Irfan Mushtaq, he make 37 runs. Very well partnership by the two batsmen, Irfan Mushtaq and Salik. Now 6 runs to win this match. Now Tahlil 23, the new batsman for Billu Star Patton. They need only 6 runs to win this match. Zubair Wani, the only bowler for Nihalpura, take 1 wicket of Irfan Mushtaq. This is the win for Billu Star Patton. They win this match and qualify in the semi-finals. So this is best of luck to the team Billu Star Patton. They qualify in the semi-finals. Win for Billu Star Patton. So this is end of this live broadcast. Khuda Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.